Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny. Today, I'll be making roasted butternut squash. Let's get started. Roasted butternut squash is one of my favorite side dishes to prepare. It has a sweet and a nutty taste, kind of like that of a pumpkin. So last week, I showed you the different parts of a butternut squash. We talked about the bulb and how it contains all of the seeds which you can eat or discard. I showed you how easy it is to peel it using a wide peeler while holding it horizontally. I also cut the neck open to show you how the inside contains no seeds. Finally, I showed you the easiest way to cut it into wedges, then into perfect cubes. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to turn these little cubes into the perfect dinner or side dish. The first step is to place your butternut squash cubes into a baking pan, then spread them out evenly. Add half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Next, add some salt to taste. Finally, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I usually add a little bit more oil because I like mine crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Alright, so give it a good mix with your hands to make sure every cube is properly coated. So it's easier to mix it in a different container than transfer it to your baking pan, but I don't like doing dishes. We're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Stop it to flip it over after the first 15 minutes. So it's been a total of 30 minutes and our roasted butternut squash is ready to be served and enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please leave a like and be sure to leave a comment below. I'll see you all next week.